Chevy too. Again, race fans, please cover your ears when Kerry does his burnout. This is a very loud race car. 1914 King panel van with an all-aluminum 408 cubic inch small block Chevrolet. He'd like to thank Bernie Hewitt for the paint CSA roofing. And K&S Machine Shop. Perry Sabine, Thomas Mead, lights his life, throttle down, wheels up, hair straight back, boys and girls.